Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you basic tips on Revit dimensioning. So the first one is the usage of tab key. Here in Revit dimensioning, the usage of tab key is have two usage. So the first one is to delete a part of a dimension. So for instance, in this dimension I want to delete this part, this dimension only. So highlight the dimension, hit tab, select it and delete. That's it. So the second usage is, let's dimension, let's close this, let's dimension this angled wall. So basically when I just simply dimension this one, click here and here, that's not the right way to do. Pick this one, and here I want to use the tab key to snap the point, so tab key and click. This kind of thing is more usable on this kind of drawing. So here just hit tab until I find the point and click, and again hit tab here, click, tab until I got the point, tab until I got the point, click. So the second tip is EQ, equal constraint. Let's say I dimensioned here and I want to put this door on centered equal dimension for these two dimensions. So just click on this EQ icon here, click on it. So to bring up the dimensions instead of EQ, just click again on this EQ. So now I've got this dimension. The third tip is edit witness line. So let's say I want to add a dimension of this part here. Click, click, click. Instead of doing this and creating separate dimensions, what I want to do is just click on here the dimension that already exists, and here edit witness line. So now I can edit this one. If I want to, I can remove this one by just clicking on that, but at this time I want to add this dimension. Now it's considered as one dimension here and it's easy to manage. The fourth tip is lock dimension. Let's dimension here. I want to lock this dimension, and whenever I move this wall, I don't want to change the dimension here. So click on the dimension and here click on lock icon. Now whenever I move this wall, it's gonna stay similar here. The fifth tip, witness line gap property. When I look at this dimension, the witness lines are somehow looks part of the model. Click on the dimension here, edit type, and on the graphics there is witness line control, and click on gap element. Here it have a drop down, so select fixed to dimension line, click OK. Now it creates a separation so I can manage. The other tip is override dimension with texts. So let's say I want to override this dimension, so double click on this number and this window will pop up, and here click on replace with text and I can type whatever I want. I can do something like this, but I think in earlier version of Revit it will let you automatically replace with that one. So on that versions, right click on it first on this empty space, and here insert Unicode control character will be available, and select one of these lists. So I'm gonna select the first one and I can type whatever I want and hit OK. The last tip is dimension entire walls. So let's consider this one, and instead of dimensioning and picking each individual points here, I can use here, instead of individual references, I can use entire walls here. Click on it, and so here on options I can do some settings like I want to include the opening and not the center. I want to dimension the opening's width and intersecting walls, and also I want to include intersecting grids. Click OK. So now what I need to do is just click on this wall and the dimension will automatically create it. So it includes grids, the width of the opening, and and also the intersecting wall here. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video.